Pure vowels used in English from A to A. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. It is a short phoneme. This symbol represents the phoneme A. The name of this phoneme is A. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. Examples. At the beginning of the syllable, E, G, G, A, egg, egg, E, N, D, A, in, id, end, E, L, M, A, il, L, im, L. At the middle of the syllable, B, E, L, L, if, A, B, ig, sorry, il, bell, Gell is a sa il cell. Dell it a da il del. Fel if a fa il fell. Gel ij a ja il gel. Hell ich a ha il hell. Men im a ma in men. Net in a na it net. Pen if a pa in pen. Se sa in is sense. Generally the letter E represent this phoneme.